Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How to Guide. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix shadow ban into your TikTok. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. If your account also got the shadow ban, there are some couple of things that you should take care about before going into the solution. Firstly, you just simply have to find out why you got the shadow ban. In most cases, whenever you involve in some kind of spam and you upload some contents that doesn't follow the community guidelines of TikTok, you should get the shadow ban into your TikTok. And in this scenario, the most common solution that you should think about is to read the community guidelines of the TikTok, and after that check if your contents doesn't follow the TikTok community guidelines or not. And after that, you just simply have to remove the contents that you have uploaded which doesn't follows the guidelines of the TikTok. Then after that, your shadow ban in TikTok will be removed. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.